Today, we're diving into the Keurig Short Handle Water Filter Starter Kit, a must-have for all Keurig coffee enthusiasts out there. If you own a Keurig coffee maker with a water reservoir shorter than 8 inches tall, including models like the K-Duo Essentials, K-Compact, and K-Latte, this little accessory is designed just for you. Measuring at 2.3 inches in length, 1.7 inches in width, and 4.7 inches in height, this compact filter is easy to handle and won't take up much space in your kitchen. Made from BPA-free materials, it ensures that your water stays pure and free from harmful chemicals. Plus, with its C certification, you can trust its quality and safety. One of the standout benefits of this filter is its ability to remove chlorine from your water, resulting in a smoother and better tasting cup of coffee every time. We all know that water quality is crucial when it comes to brewing the perfect cup, and this filter ensures that your coffee gets the cleanest, freshest water possible. For optimal performance, it's recommended to change the water filter every 2 months or after 60 tank refills. This ensures that your filter continues to provide the best results and maintains the quality of your coffee. It's a small investment for the sake of great tasting coffee. In conclusion, the Keurig Short Handle Water Filter Starter Kit is a game changer for any Keurig coffee maker owner. It's simple to use, effective in improving water quality, and ensures that every cup of coffee is as delicious as can be. Say goodbye to chlorine-tainted coffee and hello to a smoother, more flavorful brew with this essential accessory. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.